Hey everyone, Mark here, back at the virtual showroom. Wow, another awesome looking car. 2013 Dodge Dart SXT. Lots of standard features. Let's do a quick walk around the outside. It's a local trade. Love the color combo. Red with a little lighter interior, which I'll show you very shortly. Got really cool. I love the lights on the back. Flows really nicely. The SXT package. Dart's a really cool car, fuel efficient, 4-cylinder, was around for a little bit. I don't believe they make them anymore, so own a piece of history. Second time around for the Dodge Dart. Alloy wheels, sharp looking little unit. That's what it's all about right now, eh? Sporty, fun to drive, fuel efficient. I'm gonna open the trunk really quick. I'm gonna grab the keys out of my pocket. Sorry about that. Oh, lost some money. Hold on. Oh, come with me for the ride. Okay. Open that trunk. So good sized trunk for a compact car. And you fold those seats down, get a little bit extra space if you have a little project at home. But I'd say this is one of the bigger trunks I've seen in a car of this size. So again, good sized trunk, you got your spare underneath there. Back seats just came out of the shop. For a lighter interior, it's in a really nice shape, cloth. Everything's in nice shape. You got a little storage compartment there. This will fold down. Some cup holders. Whoa! Some napkins. There you go, I'll take those napkins out. Can't stop the video now, it's in real time. Power windows. Let's show you some of the meat and potatoes of the vehicle. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. All nice features to have. You have locking rear windows as well. You got an adjustable driver's seat. Cloth's in nice shape. You adjust your interior illumination. Your light settings are right there. Alrighty. Good kilometers on this one. Fire it up real quick. So let's go over some of the standard features you find in this Dart. You got all your cruise control here. Here's your settings. You can toggle through and adjust some settings. So that light's on. We gotta get some. One of the tires is a little bit lower than the other, so we'll get that tire pumped up. This just came in, so again, I like to be transparent, so you know you're going to get those tires pumped and get them ready, ready to drive. Air conditioning, rear defrost, front defrost. You get your hazards, you get traction control all right here. You get a plug in there, little radio system here. So again, very simplistic. Sometimes that's nice. That's what I like, anyways. Believe it or not, you got a storage container under here. How cool is that? A storage underneath the passenger seat. Very kind of unique. Dash, as you can see, nice shape. No rips in the seats, nothing like that. I like this little car. I don't think it's gonna last long. So if you think like I do, don't miss out. Call, text, or email us if you have any questions about this Dodge Dart 2013. We definitely have a good price on it. As always, you can shop 24/7 at SeawayHyundai.com. Call, text, or email us if you have any questions about any other newer pre-owned vehicles. We're definitely here to help, and we look forward to seeing you soon.